Hello guys, what's up? This is Joan Mark and this is SANTOL season. So our topic for today's Ilonggo tutorial is to learn what on earth is the SANTOL fruit and what's it called in English. So I have here a bag. Yes, it used to be 2 bags. So I'll show you how many. So I got these from a SANTOL tree from my neighbor's property because she just allowed me to take whatever I can from her tree. So thank you very much, Carol and Paki. The SANTOL fruits only come out once a year and only during this time of the year, beginning August, some as early as July, but usually they're in full fruiting season every September. That goes with the rambutan fruit as well. But this time we're going to talk about SANTOL. Loads and loads of SANTOL. In English, they're called cotton fruit. And how to eat them? Because they look like the skin is hairish, it's velvety, and some people just bite it and open the fruit like this, but I never did. It's not a very nice experience. It's called Milo on the teeth when you bite like this, especially if it just slides off. It's kind of Milo. I explained Milo in one of my videos. So it's a kind of feeling that you feel when you run your nails on the blackboard. So the same kind of feeling when you bite the SANTOL and you're not successful in biting it and it just slides off. So I wouldn't recommend that. But how to open the SANTOL any other way is this is my favorite way of opening the SANTOL, because you can do it anytime, anywhere, especially when you're near the tree, when you're outside and the SANTOL is just newly harvested from the tree. You just put them in between your knees like this. You apply pressure using both knees and just squeeze the fruit like that, and you get a crack. And from that crack, you just open the SANTOL. Wow! So in English, the SANTOL is called cotton fruit, obviously, because the seed is covered with a cotton-like pulp. You just squeeze the seed out. So just use your fingers. So that's the cotton substance. It's called cotton fruit. And just suck the sweetness, this juicy sweetness of the fruit. It's juicy, sweet, and yummy, and can't get enough. And some people even swallow the seeds whole. I don't know why. I mean, I'm not the one that is fond of swallowing the seeds, but some people do. And the way to eat the SANTOL is just to suck the juice out until you're done, and then you throw out the seed. I've already collected a lot from my previous fruit. So these are the SANTOL seeds that I've already eaten. Yummy. Of course, there are other ways to eat the SANTOL, to open it. A lot of preparations, but that's the most basic, without having any tools. Okay, I'm done with one seed. Of course, there are other ways to open the SANTOL, and just for a demonstration, you can use a knife So with a knife, there's a nice way of opening the santol. So this is the top of the fruit. There you go. And make a nice slice, but don't remove the top. Don't remove everything. And then from there, once you've sliced more than half of the top, go down and around the fruit. So around and around like this. So make sure it's a nice twirl. When I was a little girl, I used to climb santol trees a lot. So santol reminds me of my childhood. Lots and lots of fun childhood memories. So the more skillful you are in skinning the santol, the more better. And so it's almost done. And then you just slice off the top. And there you go. So this is your skinned santol fruit. So it still has a bit of skin there, but the skin is actually, oh no, this is not the skin. This is the skin. This is the pulp, and the seed is inside. Well, you can even, just for fun, you can even return. So it's not as broken. You can even return it to its original shape. So there's your hollow santol, still whole, and whoops, there you go. So I'm also a fan of, let's put this here so you can see it as well. So my half-eaten santol here, the naturally opened without a knife, is already oxidizing. When it fully oxidizes, the skin turns brown. So you have to eat it as fast as you can so that it doesn't turn brown when it oxidizes. And then to ease the opening, you can also slice it like that. Make a couple of incisions like a cross, then squeeze it open. There you have it. And some also slice across like that. And when you're done, you can easily open. You can remove the pulp. This is edible. Remove the pulp. Some even cook and process these into marmalade. So there's santol jam, santol marmalade. Some santols are not as sweet. These ones, I'm lucky because they're sweet. I can just eat them and they're already sweet. But some santols are sour. So you get, It's also nice to eat them sour. It's a little bit of fun. And you can even use the pulp to make some of the dish that needs souring. So they're also excellent in souring some dishes. You can use salt to enhance the flavor of your santol, especially the sour ones. So a good sea salt would be nice, but I'm using pink salt. So you can dip your santol into salt. So I'm eating the meat. It's pulpy. It feels like you're eating cardboard. It's like eating It's like eating cardboard that's sour. It has a cardboardy taste. So when you're onto the cardboard part of the santol, meaning it's not the best part anymore, just remove the part where it's still cottony. That's the sweet part. But I don't eat everything. I don't eat the cardboard part. I just remove with my teeth the cottony part of the SANTOL meat. Some of these are no. It has a bitter, still juicy taste. If you just want to explore the other parts of the SANTOL, that's fine. So they say that salt is the push-up bra of flavor. It has a different juiciness, different sweetness when you put salt to your SANTOL. I used to eat a lot of this also when I was in grade school. All the SANTOL vendors, the fruit vendors would sell SANTOL. And aside from the salt, they would also add, this is fish sauce, patis. But the more popular one is soy sauce, vinegar, ta-da! Spiced vinegar. So let's try that with the spiced vinegar concoction. I really love pinakurat. I really love spiced vinegar. So just shake it, and then put it to here. Oops, it's a lot already. And when you have that, the pinakurat smells heavenly. So for that spicy vinegarish twist, use all of these for your SANTOL sauce, SANTOL dip. So this one is sour and spicy and sweet at the same time. And also the pulp. It helps when you dip your SANTOL pulp into the spicy dip because it masks the cardboardy taste. So you can eat almost the whole thing, except of course for the skin. So what are the words that you can derive from this session? SANTOL is basically sweet and sour. So sweet is tamis and sour is aslum. And then when you add all those SANTOL dip is sausaw. And the dipping sauce or the plate or bowl that holds the sausaw is called sausawan. So where you sausaw your SANTOL is called the sausawan. And it gives it a twist, a sour, spicy twist. Sour, again, is aslum. Spicy is kahang. And salty is asin. So that's the flavor that you get to taste when you're eating SANTOL. When you bite into the SANTOL, it's called kagat. And when you chew it, chew. What is chew in Ilonggo? Usap. Okay. Not quite, but yeah. Chew. Usap. I wish I can share to you the delicious taste of SANTOL, which doesn't come by all the time. So it's a once a year thing. And of course, the finale is to just drink the whole vinegar that was left. It's a concoction of, you know, salt and vinegar, and you just drink the whole thing. Mm. This is Joan of Arc eating Santol for you guys to deliver you the latest Ilonggo tutorials. See you in our next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button. If I have new stuff, you'll get notified right away. Bye for now.